These cicadas are everywhere. We get really high winds up here, and this tree, can't remember which one this one is, but it got kind of beaten to death in the last storm. Needs trimmed. There's Kiana over there being a bad girl. Rolling in probably something dead, like dead cicadas or worms. But these cicadas, I tell you, they are everywhere. Everywhere. Oh, man, they sit there and chirp and make noise. They'll get on you, jump in your face, fly in your face, I should say, and scream at you. They're so weird. That one's not moving.